What is Manchester all about? Is it the history and culture? Or is the city all about your favorite football clubs? There is more to this city that is top 5 in England. So let's check out this drone video of Manchester, considered the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution and a vibrant hub of culture, innovation and sports. We lift off in Manchester city centre, and immediately the skyline of this historic city comes into view. In the heart of the city, we will find Manchester Cathedral, a beautiful Gothic structure dating back to the 15th century. Known for its stunning stained glass windows and intricate woodwork, the cathedral is the mother church of the Anglican Diocese of Manchester and the seat of the Bishop of Manchester. We can also see the iconic Manchester Town Hall, a stunning example of Victorian neo-Gothic architecture. Completed in 1877, this building has been a symbol of the city's rich industrial past. We catch a glimpse of the Beetham Tower, a 47-story skyscraper that dominates the Manchester skyline. Completed in 2006, it is the tallest building in the UK outside of London and houses the Hilton Manchester Deansgate. Another landmark in the area is the John Rylands Library, which is part of the University of Manchester. It was opened in 1900 and is home to some of the world's rarest books and manuscripts. Like any respectable city centre, the heart of Manchester is a shopper's paradise. The city centre boasts a variety of shopping experiences, from the high-end boutiques to an eclectic mix of independent stores. We head over to the Etihad Stadium, home of Manchester City Football Club. Opened in 2003, the Etihad Stadium can hold over 55,000 fans. It's not just a football ground, but a venue for concerts and other major events. The Etihad Stadium, originally known as the City of Manchester Stadium, was built for the 2002 Commonwealth Games. After the Games, it was converted into a football stadium and became the home of Manchester City in 2003. With City winning the UEFA Champions League for the first time in 2023 and the Premier League title 4 times in a row, the club has seen a significant increase in followership, drawing its fans to the city. Next up is Old Trafford, the legendary home of Manchester United. With a capacity of over 74,000, it is the largest club football stadium in the UK. The Theatre of Dreams has witnessed countless historic moments in football and is a worthy home for the club with the most league titles in England. As a global brand, United has fans all over the world, singing the Glory Glory song in times of plenty and in times of famine. The Manchester Derby is one of the most anticipated fixtures in English football, featuring the city's two major clubs. The first match between the two teams took place around 1881, and the rivalry continues till today as both clubs try to be the leading club in the city, country, and around the world. Manchester is a city that never ceases to amaze, from historic landmarks to its modern sites. Whether you're a Red Devil or City fan, or someone who loves exploring new places, Manchester has something for everyone. So that's it for the drone footage of Manchester, a city that is one of a kind in England. After this amazing video of marvelous Manchester, there's another city in England that you should check out. Historic buildings, legendary football clubs, and a vibrant city centre. In the video of Birmingham, you would enjoy the drone view and be inspired to make it your next city destination. Click here to watch it now.